Okay, we're on to card number 6, and I'm going to do this type of banner layering. And I'm not quite sure how I'm going to do it. I stamped on there. I didn't really like it. It was the wrong color. I'm not sure if I want to do what way of the layers. These were the pieces that I had that were big enough for this. So let's kind of gear this one. They have the deer on this one. Got a couple of flags to put as banners for down here, and a couple for up here, and a branch with the floral. I think that's too busy, maybe. Maybe keep the trees there. That. I think I like that a little bit better. Okay, and I wanted to use the sentiment. It's Happy Holidays. You saw it stamped on there, so I'm going to stamp it here in the on the white. So I think I'm going to put this down so I know about where to gear it. And this is going to be like a little shelf for the deer to stand on. Okay, that looks good. Oh, fits. Good, 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 good. I was going to cut it down if I had to. Now, this doesn't have the little pieces that go inside the letters, so I'm going to use my brown marker to draw them in. It doesn't show up very well, but it still gives your eye that, like, oh, there's supposed to be something there and there's not. I don't know, it's just how I like it. I don't like the letters that don't have those little things in them, so I add a little something there, and then my eye is okay with it, and I'm like, it doesn't bother me anymore. So if that's something that happens with you when you have fonts like that, then that's a trick you can use. And these little flags are going to go at the top. Make sure I got these inked. I'm using the toffee ink again. I already dovetailed these. I'm just going to glue them to the bottom of this piece here. And I'm going to have the little floral piece at the top of it so it can be off a little bit because it'll cover it up. Cute, cute. All right, we're going to color him the same way we did the other ones. I'm going to use, let's use a darker brown on him and see how that goes. This is the Earth Brown blend. And if your ink is already dry from the first one, the second time you go over it with the mid-tone, it makes it look really dark. But this will lighten up as well as it dries. They blend and meld together as they dry to give it that really nice shaded look. Now we're going to use the really dark on the inside of his ear. And maybe on his feet for his hooves. I'm going to do his nose in red because he is Rudolph, right? Where's my red one? There it is. And a pink cheek. All right. So there he is. So cute. And pop him up. All right, so we'll put some glitter glue on him, or on these, and maybe along here. And then I'll take still photos and show you what that looks like.